Intellect Infusion presents 8 surprising uses for CBD oil. Number 1. To help you quit smoking. You may not think that CBD oil may help you in quitting smoking, but there actually is some limited evidence to support this claim. According to a 2013 study in addictive behaviors, individuals who used CBD oil smoked around 40% less cigarettes than those who did not use it. Although this was only a small pilot study, it has the potential to be significant. Number 2. As a DIY acne treatment. If you're struggling with acne, rest assured that you're not alone. Nevertheless, discovering an effective treatment can be challenging. According to Healthline, scientific research suggests that CBD oil may be helpful in treating acne due to its anti-inflammatory properties. Although additional research is necessary, preliminary outcomes seem to be encouraging. Number 3. To make high heels more comfortable. It may seem unusual that CBD oil could improve comfort while wearing high heels, but according to Mandy Moore, that's precisely why she has used it before. As per Coveteur, the actress stated that her stylist suggested using CBD oil to alleviate pain associated with wearing heels after she asked if there was a numbing cream she could use. The website did not report if Moore found any relief from using the oil, so you may need to try it yourself. Number 4. To help with anxiety. Anxiety can negatively impact your quality of life and hinder your ability to socialize effectively. However, CBD has been shown to alleviate symptoms of anxiety by calming the nerves. Incorporating CBD into your daily routine can reduce stress associated with everyday activities, and enhance public speaking performance. Number 5. To help you sleep. According to Medical News Today, fatigue and tiredness are some of the most frequently observed side effects of CBD oil use. As a result of this side effect, it is unsurprising that some people claim that using CBD oil has improved their quality of sleep. Tamara Pridgett, a writer for Pop Sugar, reported that her personal use of CBD oil resulted in an improvement in her sleep quality. Number 6. To treat high blood pressure. It is essential to consult with your doctor, discuss your intentions with them, and conduct extensive research if you are considering using CBD oil for a medical condition. However, there is limited evidence that CBD oil may be beneficial in some way. A new study published this year in the American Society for Clinical Investigation suggests that CBD could serve as a natural treatment for reducing high blood pressure. The study found that participants who were exposed to stress and used CBD oil experienced a reduction in resting systolic blood pressure and stroke volume. Researchers attributed the decrease in blood pressure to CBD's ability to regulate anxiety, which supports heart health. Additionally, the anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of CBD oil can help to prevent heart-related illnesses. Number 7. To switch up your skincare routine. CBD oil is becoming increasingly popular in the beauty and skincare industry. In an interview with Marie Claire, Dr. Joyce Imahairobo IP, MD, a dermatologist, said that products containing CBD oil may have anti-aging benefits due to the presence of antioxidants in cannabis. However, it is still uncertain whether it can significantly enhance the potency of serums. Despite this, a Marie Claire writer claimed to have observed an improvement in their eye serum's effectiveness after using a product containing CBD. Number 8. To treat some neurological disorders. CBD has been researched for its potential benefits in neurological disorders, such as epilepsy and multiple sclerosis. A 2014 study published in European Neurology found that a spray containing both THC and CBD reduced medication-resistant spasticity in multiple sclerosis patients. However, more research is needed for MS and other disorders like Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. CBD oil is not currently well regulated, so it is important to be cautious when considering its use. Conducting thorough research and seeking advice from experts can be helpful in determining whether CBD oil is right for you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.